In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Calendar on Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Outlook on the web, choose the right calendar, set the right permissions, and send a sharing invitation that works the first time. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook. Click the official Outlook link to open Outlook on the web. If you're not signed in yet, log in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you're using the account that owns the calendar you want to share, whether that's a personal Outlook.com account or a work or school Microsoft 365 account. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step to finish signing in. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, switch from Mail to Calendar. Look to the left side for the calendar icon and select it. Your view can be day, week, or work week. The sharing process is the same in any view. In the left pane, locate the calendar you want to share, typically under My Calendars. If you have multiple calendars, click the one you use for scheduling so you share the right one. Hover over your calendar's name and click the three dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, choose Sharing and Permissions. This opens a panel where you'll add people and control what they can see or do. In the sharing box, start typing the email address of the person or group you want to share with. Outlook will suggest matches from your contacts and organization directory. Select the correct entry. Double-check the domain before you proceed, especially if you're sharing with someone outside your organization, because external recipients might have fewer capabilities depending on your admin settings. Next, pick the level of access you want to grant. If you just want others to know when you're free or busy, choose the most limited option that hides event details. If collaborators need to see subjects and locations, choose a view option with details. For teammates who help manage your schedule, select an edit level so they can add or modify events. Some organizations also offer a delegate option for advanced scheduling scenarios. When in doubt, use the least access needed and increase it later if required. When you're ready, click Share. Outlook sends an invitation to the recipient. After they accept, your calendar appears in their list, usually under Other Calendars, and your chosen permissions take effect. You can add multiple people from the same Sharing and Permissions panel, and you can return here anytime to adjust or remove access if your needs change. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, go to Calendar, open Sharing and Permissions, enter the email, choose the right permission, and share.